yourself the hiccups again.
Oh yeah.
But you know the funny thing is, probably the hiccups, Emma. Just let people bring it in rather than sneaking it in would probably almost be better. Because like you don't hear about any of that talking on pediatric chores or CCU or that kind of stuff, and they all bring food in.
Yeah.
You know.
Oh. You okay, baby?
She gave herself the hiccups.
We had discussed that before, and Kieran said because it's designated
I know, it's
as
miserable.
that OSHA won't allow it.
I know.
They'll find heavily. Heavily fined.
Aw, do you have the hiccups, Emma?
I was wondering if it was worth it.
Yeah. I know.
Because like
It's an OSHA thing.
You're gonna
It's
be
not
alright.
unit.
Just hold your breath.
At the same time, if it was a pediatric ICU, some of those kids are eating. Like actually being fed.
Yeah.
As part of their stay.
You
So
feel
it's
better?
kind of worlds of difference.
I know.
You know, so
Yeah.
I don't know. I think there's a fine line that they truly haven't.
A lot, huh?
Because it's so new for
I
NICU.
know that we have definitely discussed it.
It's a lot
Yeah.
to go
Like
through.
when we were doing the whole drink debating back and forth, like they just swore they're like it's not under OSHA. It's like I don't know.
Oh.
It's like when the health department comes through and
Health
just hands
department,
out
that's what it is.
all of the
Yeah.
fines and stuff. I'm like, listen, when you're crippled,
Oh.
the only thing you want to do is just drink something. Like as nurses, like I think it's ridiculous. If I have my little cubby, the patients are here and here and here, and I can't move.
Emma.
I just want to say bye.
Yeah.
Well, that's why they finally broke us down and let us keep them in the cabinets here. At first, they were making us walk all the way around the unit to the break room, and no one was able to do it. So we kept playing until they
It's
found a way
okay.
around it. But for a while, they were fining the nurses individually, like walking around saying, if you have a drink here, you're fined $200.
And they
Yeah.
will too.
Yeah.
They did. Some people got
Yeah.
fined.
Like I flipped out on one of the nursing supervisors because she threw, like I was like 5 months pregnant and not feeling well, and she threw my Allsport away, which is the only thing I could even keep down at that point, and I just lost it. I said, you cannot, and they always stuck me in the short hallway,
Yeah.
which the only bathroom is all the way down there. So we had it on the computer. I'm like, don't touch this.
Yeah.
And it gets stupid. Poor
This
thing.
is the worst I've heard him so far.
They keep getting louder and louder.
And my father-in-law was in
Oh.
the hospital over at St. Luke's last month, and they admitted him to the ER while they waited for a room.
Yeah.
So he was in the ER for a day and a half before they had a room. And he was right outside the nurse's station. And the first night I was over there, I'm like, I can't do this because number one, they have violated. I can't tell you how many rules.
Oh.
I mean, they're all sitting there at the desk eating. I mean, our thing was always hide it, don't make it obvious.
Absolutely.
And not only were they sitting there eating, but he took a bite of whatever they were eating. And
You
then comes
okay?
in the room still chewing as he's talking to the father-in-law, and I'm going,
No.
And then when they gave him blood, they sat out at the desk and checked it. I'm like, no. Come in the room. You have to come in the room. And my husband's going, I saw him check it. I'm like, yeah, but how do you know he checked it for your father? I mean,
Yeah.
he could have checked it for the other gym partner.
All better?
Next door.
Yeah. You don't
All
know?
better.
You don't know.
That kills me.
Oh.
Yeah, I was like, so many health code violations.
Got a few more left.
And everything else,
There you
safety-wise.
I mean, come on.
All better, sweetheart. Get them all out.
Two anal retentive.
Yeah.
I don't either. I don't either.
Poor Emma.
But that's okay.
Yeah. She's gotten the hang of that. I know.
You're okay, sweet.
I know. It's okay, Emma. It's so sad.
It's like they go away for a couple of seconds, and all of a sudden it's and they come back.
Okay. Oh, thank you.
Now better? Oh, nope. Well, don't look at me. I didn't do it.
Hi. Your
Hey.
eyes are open.
Hey, pretty girl.
Hi, Peanut. What you doing? See, I
Hi.
got the hiccups. And that's no fun. Yeah. Are you smiling?
You smiling at us? Yeah, it is pretty funny, huh? Okay, I think that's all gone finally.